Today I'm making zucchini bread. I have 1.5 cups of almond flour in this bowl. I'm also going to add a 1/4 cup of oat fiber. Ooh, I need 1/4 of a cup. Ooh, that does powder my face for free. 1/4 cup. I have the recipe on my phone. We need to have 1/2 teaspoon of baking powder and baking soda. One half. Then I need 1/2 teaspoon of salt. Half a teaspoon of ground nutmeg. One teaspoon of cinnamon. Oh, I love the smell of cinnamon. Okay, I'm going to whisk that together. This almond flour always has these crunchy things, or bigger pieces. You ever notice that? Alright, that's the dry ingredient. In a large bowl, use a hand mixer, which I don't have yet because we're going to beat in eggs. 3 eggs. I'll beat it after I get these in here. Three eggs. Butter, 1/2 stick of butter, which has been sitting out to get room temperature. Then we're going to put in the erythritol, 1/2 cup, which is a sugar alternative. Make sure I have it all. And then I'm going to mix this. Wish I had a KitchenAid or a fancier one of these. Forget what it's called. Crank it up a little bit. Alright. It's very important that the butter be room temperature, or it's harder to make. 1 whole cup of shredded zucchini. Oh, it's sticking to my fingers. Oh well. Mix that together. Okay. Then I have to slowly beat in the dry ingredients, excuse me. I have 2 of these. Uh-oh. I hope this tastes as good as it smells. It will smell amazing. And I love zucchini. And while I've been doing all this, the oven is preheating to 325 degrees. Oh, it's getting thicker now. Then I'm going to get my 9x5 cake pan. Once I get all this incorporated. My arm's getting wore out. I'll have some muscle. Which is the purpose in doing this and not the handheld. So put that last little bit in there. Looks a little lumpy, but that's because it's got pieces of zucchini in it. Alright, and I gotta grease my cake, my 9x13, oh, let me get the rest of that off of there. I don't want to waste that. Every bit counts. And the zucchini will not get wasted either because I will saute it in olive oil and eat it. So I have sprayed the heck out of the pan with this. Get this whisk out of here. Again, the oven is preheated to 325. And for my brother, Richard, I have an apron on. I will be sending you the invoice for that. Look at the mess I made on the counter. Oh well. Looks good. I like it to be flat, so it's perfectionist. I'm just kidding. There's no such thing as perfection. Then I'm going to stick it in the oven. Put this into the oven for 45 minutes until it is browned lightly on the top and a toothpick a toothpick is inserted in the middle and comes clean. And then we'll let it cool for 10 minutes.